I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select an action Kirim email. Give here a username and API key. Now go to the Kirim email dashboard. Then click on the account setting. API token. View token. Copy the token and paste it into the integration site. Give here your username. Go to the Kirim email site, copy the username, and paste it into the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Kirim email dashboard. Navigate to the lists. Subscribers. Here, you can see that the data has been successfully received. Thanks for watching.